should totally. What is Gurmos essentially?
Hey guys, right to Neaster. Oh wait, sorry. Ah, goddamn. Anyways, StanleyNOV Part 10.
So we're gonna use the apple flavored baby food as the base.
Actually, that's disgusting. What do you want baby food to eat?
Some goat cheese, some sliced.
You lost me. You lost me on
Yep,
that.
eat it.
I thought my bro was gonna make apple pie pizza, which I can actually understand and respect all the way. But then he adds goat cheese?
Prosciutto and bacon.
Oh, hell no.
Care for the prosciutto covered
Sorry.
baby food, madam? Okay, here it is. You could use some crushed walnuts and a drizzle of honey. Now let's
Look at that. Look at Stanley. Look at him. His beard is so is glowing in. Wait, what you been doing last night, Stanley? What the frick? Ah! Just joking. It's just a filter.
Pineapple on pizza, but pineapple pizza actually kind of rocks.
Oh, you can see the creature in the background,
It's salty and
staring
savory and sweet at the
menacingly.
same time.
Ah!
But having the base
Anyways.
of applesauce is nah.
You're high on the pot news. God damn it, look at you. Michelin man looking at this very doughboy looking
Yeah, I know.
at Logan Paul looking at I kid
Yeah.
you, I kid you. I don't know how the heck you can see me right now. I tell you a joker. Are you familiar with NFL? Okay. I'm a defense on a football team, and I want to tackle the Dolphins quarterback. Action.
Okay.
And I'm hacking the Tua. I am hacking the Tua.
I hate